doing?
Welcome to Grind and
What's up,
Shine.
guys? Welcome.
Follow me on Instagram.
Intro.
Okay.
So many.
So we've been hijacked again.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all. Back at it again. Another road trip for a show. Heading down to Port St. Lucie, Jensen Beach area-ish. But of course, first stop, gotta get some.
Wow. Perfect timing.
Yeah. So let's get on this road, not burn ourselves with our lunch. Head on down for the show, and y'all coming with us. Let's go. So here we go, Jensen Beach, Florida, Port St. Lucie-ish. We got Kalani, fresh off the nap, all set up for the first part. Fellas. Yeah. Yeah, you. So, yeah, I guess we setting up. Not sure what Kalani's gonna do this whole time. What you gonna do this whole time, Kalani? Oh, sounds fun. Rest of the show coming up later on. Family time. Let's go. She stole the channel already. Oh well. So here's the venue. I guess that's what it is for the evening. Yeah. Can't see nothing, but trust me, y'all, it looks cool. I know it's dark, but it looks all right. So the birthday man right here, as we taking a picture.
Yes.
So we got Uncle celebrating his birthday.
Yes. Here I go, baby. Thank you.
Anything you want to tell to the world?
Hey, man, I appreciate these guys for coming out, man, and the girls and stuff, man. Just celebrate with 60.
I appreciate it. Baby.
Those 60 look good.
Looking good.
All right, thank you.
You make that look good.
All right, thank you.
Let me turn 60 and have hair like that.
All right, look at my boy. And this is my nephew, matter of fact.
Yeah.
In case y'all don't know,
We
this
going
is my
in.
nephew, baby.
We finna
and
go
we about
in.
to do this.
Yeah, and so we just getting ready to start the show. Check it out.
We're getting like
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Look,
No time.
and I'm getting yelled at. So 2 minutes. We going on, ladies.
2 minutes. That's right.
See, we get yelled at everywhere we go. wrapped up the show. Auntie loved the show. Auntie, how's the show? She said we tore it up. Special tribute for her. Homepage got to do this. Just doing a quick group picture, you know. Hold on. We got to take a picture for my man right here. Yeah. Auntie, you want to say anything to the world?
I just want to say thank you for my nephew.
Absolutely.
You know, now the people that know me for almost like 30 years, they see my other side. You know what I'm saying? And my son right here, he finally realized where his mom come from. And that's very important in my culture.
Yes, it's always about the family.
Y'all make it happen today. I love y'all and thank you. Hey, mahalo.
Let's go.
Hey.
All right, y'all. Oh man, what an amazing show last night, y'all. It's early, trying to bring everything back in the house. You see, I mean, we didn't get home till I think it was around 1 o'clock. Getting home, but yeah, great times, y'all. Great times. Many thanks to the Wilson family for having us. Again, happy birthday, Uncle Albert Sr. That was awesome being out there, sharing the love, sharing some culture, and just overall having a great time with the family. So, time to get all this stuff packed in. Got class again here in a couple hours, more practice and jam sesh. So we appreciate you coming through. Till next time, y'all. Peace.